Air Care Climatronic with smart air vents. A fresh breeze of innovation. The ID.7 offers comfort and climate features on a new level. As you approach your vehicle, your ID.7 recognizes you by your key and begins air conditioning the interior before you get in. The improved user experience offers an intelligent climate control concept and ensures a good indoor climate. The newly designed smart air vents direct the airflow in a targeted and dynamic manner. With the help of swaying fans, they provide pleasant and draft-free ventilation. Using the touch screen, you can configure and save the direction of the airflow according to your needs. In the automatic mode, the system reacts to the vehicle environment, for example by detecting the intensity of the sun. The airflow direction and temperature are set appropriately by your ID.7. With the smart climates, you have a range of different climate programs to choose from, which can also be conveniently controlled via the voice assistant. For example, if you say, "Hello Ida, my hands are cold," your ID.7 activates the steering wheel heating, as well as a targeted flow of warm air to your hands. For additional comfort, there are 3 separate climate zones for you and your passengers. The temperatures can be set individually for each zone. There is also a convenient control option in the rear row of seats. Increased air conditioning comfort for you and your traveling companions, thanks to the 3-zone Air Care Climatronic with smart air vents.
Volkswagen.